You all. Today we are going to learn how to assemble the computer system unit, and make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to assemble the computer system unit and subscribe on my YouTube channel. This is the motherboard, this is the power supply, this is the heating fin. These are the internal parts of the computer. These are ROM chips. Okay, then this is the hard disk. This is the processor, the CPU, central processing unit. So this is the DVD player. This is the floppy disk. These are the ATA cables. Then this is the SATA cable. So without wasting much of our time, let us connect. This is the motherboard. The moment you are connected, make sure the throats are fixed carefully and the correct positions. Yes. After you tie the nuts, okay, from there, then you can fix the DVD ROM in its position. It's here. Then the floppy disk. Yes, then the hard drive. From there we can connect the heating sink. So this is here. We are connecting the heating sink. So from there we are going to connect the RAM chips. Okay, after we fix the power supply in its position, and there you tie. there we are going to connect the hard disk to the motherboard. Connecting the hard disk to the motherboard. Okay, make sure that this power supply is also connected to the motherboard. Press it there. And then from there, this is what connects the fan to the motherboard. Okay, from there we are going to connect the hard drive the motherboard. Okay, from there connect the motherboard. This connects the motherboard to the floppy disk. Make sure it is tightened. We are almost at the end and after October session. Then this is the case. The cross is fixed here. Okay, now after here, you bring the cover. So at this time, our CPU is now connected with all the parts inside it. So the moment you connect it, you must be able to power on. So from here you power it on.